In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo slider to your Wix website. We will be working directly inside Wix, and the process is very simple once you know where each option is located. The goal is to create a clean, professional-looking slider that showcases brand logos in a smooth, visually appealing way. This works especially well for partner logos, client logos, sponsors, or any trust-building section on your site. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to the page layout and add new elements. Next, scroll to the area where you want the logo slider to appear and add a section there if needed. This gives the slider its own dedicated space and helps keep your page organized. Try to place it somewhere that makes sense visually, such as below a hero section, above a footer, or in a section where you highlight credibility and partnerships. Once your section is ready, go to the left side menu and click the plus icon for Add Elements. From there, select Gallery. Then click Slider Galleries. Wix offers several built-in slider styles, so you can choose one that fits the overall design of your site. Pick a slider option such as slider spheres or slider arrows and drag it onto your page. After placing it, resize it so it fits nicely within the section. If you want a more modern, seamless look, you can stretch it to the full width of the section. Make sure here is enough spacing around it so the logos don't feel cramped. Now click on the slider and choose Change Images. You will see the default images that come with the gallery. Delete those, then upload your own logo files and click Add to Gallery. For the best results, use transparent PNG files. This helps the logos blend naturally into your website background and gives the slider a much cleaner and more professional appearance. It's also a good idea to use logos with similar dimensions so the slider looks balanced as it moves. After your logos are added, go into Settings and adjust the slider speed. This part is important because the right speed can make the section feel polished and easy to view. If it moves too quickly, visitors may not have time to recognize the logos. If it moves too slowly, the section can feel static. Choose a speed that feels smooth and comfortable for your audience. Once everything looks good, review the slider on your page to make sure the sizing, spacing, and movement all feel right with the rest of your design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.